Welcome to the Inter-American region, a place of friendly people and beautiful landscapes. With many languages, cultures, and isolated islands, sharing the Adventist message here can be a challenge. But God is working miraculously to reach the hearts of these people. Lying in the southeast Caribbean Sea is the island of Trinidad. In a land full of breathtaking beaches and lush green mountains, you'll find rich cultures and a variety of people. There are some 66,000 Seventh-day Adventists out of Trinidad and Tobago's 1.5 million people. Along with 160 organized churches, Adventists operate a university in a community that has members from all major world religions, making this place a perfect opportunity for cultural and religious exchange. Only 1 out of every 3 students at the University of the Southern Caribbean is Adventist. The diversity on campus shows the level of respect people from other religions and worldviews have for this university. Currently, the university lacks a church for spiritual and community events. There are plans to construct a church on campus. The new sanctuary will hold 1,700 people and house a center of influence that aims to engage people in cross-cultural mission, evangelism, and urban ministry.
The church at USC is the catalyst for that transformation. It is a light to the campus, but also a light to the community. It is more than just a church. It is a community mission center where we where we meet the needs of the community by literacy classes, other welfare programs, healthy cooking classes, and many have come to know Jesus Christ because of these ministries.
From this center, local Adventists will survey the neighboring community and strive to meet the people's needs. When Jesus walked the earth, he mingled with people, showed sympathy toward their needs, and by serving, earned their confidence. Today, we are called to do the same throughout Inter-America and the world. Puerto Rico is known as the Pearl of the Caribbean Sea because of the water's beautiful color and abundant tropical nature. Despite its small size, almost 4 million people live here, of whom 33,000 are Adventists. Across the island, you will find more than 300 Seventh-day Adventist churches, where dedicated members work hard to share Jesus. Antillean University is the only Adventist university on the island. Students here represent 22 countries. But on this campus, there is no Adventist church building. There is great potential for church growth around this campus, and the faculty makes plans to construct a sanctuary for worship and mission activities. The new church is a necessity because it will serve as a spiritual foundation for both the students and the local community. Nearly half of the students here come from non-Adventist families. University leaders see a lot of potential for a center of influence operated from inside this church. Please pray for these universities in Puerto Rico and Trinidad and Tobago, as they each build God a house and grow His worldwide family of believers. There are many people on these islands in need of hope.